guys, it's Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you what I've been doing in the garden. And if you can't hear me, I'm sorry. I forgot my microphone and it was so windy. But it's warm in February, so that's nice. But what I did is I went ahead and transplanted my radishes into one of my garden beds as an experiment. And the next few days it's supposed to be really nice, like in the 40s and 50s, and if it gets down below 30, then what I'm going to do is cover it with a low tunnel. I bought the supplies for that, and I'm going to make it tomorrow. Today is actually Super Bowl Sunday, and you're not going to see this for a few days, but I'm going to cover it with a low tunnel when it's really cold, and we'll see how it goes. I started these radishes inside a few weeks ago, and a lot of people were like, why are you starting radishes inside? They can be direct sown. Yes, they can, I know that, but I wanted to see if I could push the limits of my zone and get an earlier radish harvest. And I know that people are like, well, why would you do that with radishes? They are such quick harvest crops. They're ready in such a short amount of time that people don't really, they're like, why would you do that? Why would you waste your time doing that? Well, because I like radishes and I like an experiment and I like to see what happens. So let's find out. Let me show you real quick what it looks like, and yeah. Oh, and I also did a few turnips. My husband did this one right here. That's why it's all still leggy. But we have, of course, I didn't write down which ones I put where, but we've got, I'm pretty sure these are like French breakfast here, French breakfast, black Spanish. We've got some watermelon radishes over here. We've got some lady slippers in the middle here, and I'm pretty sure these are the Chinese red. And in the back corner there is the purple plum radishes, and then up here is just a few turnips. And all these have real leaves on them, and it's not gonna be below 50 tonight, and I've been keeping them in an area of my house that's been around 60-ish degrees anyway. So today it was 70, and tonight it shouldn't get below 50. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And if they die, they die. And if not, then early radishes. But I just wanted to share that with you. It was so nice and windy today that I set out all these diapers to line dry. And it's also been so windy that my little, my cushions that go in the chair are all over the place. And the diapers are inside out. And I'm surprised nothing flew away. But my trash can got knocked over. Whoops. Gotta go pick that up. Alright, so I ended up covering them last night just to protect them from the wind. It did not get below 50. But the wind is cold, and it is going to be colder tonight. So I decided to go ahead and cover them. It's not sunny or anything today. I'm kind of debating whether or not I want to take it off for the day. If the sun comes out, for sure. Oh, you know you have kids when you find sidewalk chalk in strawberries, in the bed of strawberries. Which, look at these. All the leaves are still basically really green, except for a couple little red spots. But I mean, I'm really surprised. Mainly because I've never grown strawberries before. But, yay. Oh, the joys of living next to an alley. I've got litter coming in with the wind. Oh well. I thought it was going to be warmer today, to be honest with you. I was planning on taking my weed eater to all the weeds on the other side of that fence. That's technically my responsibility. It's still my property. But what I want to do, last year these all grew up real tall, and it was just weeds, and it didn't look great.
what I want to do is I want to knock all that down and and replace all of this with sunflowers, so that instead of weeds that grow super tall, I'll have sunflowers growing super tall. I don't know how that'll work, but that's the plan. And I've got these out here enjoying some warmer weather-ish. I mean, it's in the upper 50s. It's gonna be like 61 or 62 today. A little windy. All this is cold hardy stuff. I mean, hopefully I'll be able to put these out under cover in a few days. Maybe next week. Maybe not even undercover. Depends. It's all an experiment.